Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be discussing an important topic about how to protect your children from the sun. We're not only going to cover essential sun protection tips, but we're going to go over the best sunscreens for the little ones. Let's dive right in. I'm Meg Conover, Physician Associate, Internal Medicine, and I'm here to help you understand how to protect your kids from the sun. Let's understand the risks associated with the sun. Sunburn, first off, can be really uncomfortable. It can cause blisters, skin damage, early and advanced aging, those dreaded wrinkles early in life. But worst of all, it can predispose you to skin cancer. The first line of defense is protective clothing. There's actually SPF clothing, but you can get loose, light-fitting clothing for the summer, long sleeves, you can even get long pants, wide-brimmed hats to protect the face, and even hats with flaps to protect the ears. Your second line of defense is going to be the sunscreen. You want to look for child-friendly sunscreens with non-harmful ingredients. These usually include what's called inorganic compounds, zinc oxide and titanium dioxide. You want to avoid organic compounds like avobenzone and oxybenzone. Some of our favorite brands are Aveeno Baby and Thinkbaby Sunscreens. If you have an infant younger than 6 months, the American Academy of Pediatrics recommends avoiding sunscreen until after 6 months old. However, if you live in a hot climate, the baby's going to be exposed to the sun, it's okay to apply small and sparing amounts to the face and sometimes the back of the hands, but again, use kid-safe sunscreens. These infants have an immature skin barrier and they can be predisposed to allergies related to ingredients in specific sunscreens. When applying sunscreen to your kids, remember the teaspoon rule. 1 teaspoon for face and neck, 2 teaspoons for abdomen, chest, and back, 1 teaspoon for each arm, and 2 teaspoons for each leg, for a total of 9 teaspoons of sunscreen per child. Remember to apply the sunscreen about 30 minutes before activity. This gives it time to soak in before they start running around. And make sure to reapply every 2 hours if they're not in the water. If they're in the water, you're going to want to try to reapply every time they come out. Other ways to protect from the sun include staying out of the sun during the peak hours. This is between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. typically. Use sunshades, canopies, and tents. Try to keep them out as much as possible. Again, wide-brimmed hats, long-sleeve shirts, SPF clothing is also helpful. Teaching children about sun safety and staying consistent with making sure they put sunscreen on each and every time is going to help them learn to actually enjoy and be okay with putting sunscreen on frequently. One of the hacks we've found most helpful in our family with 2 little boys who have to wear sunscreen all the time because they have fair skin is to let them choose what type of sunscreen they want. They can have a choice between a spray sunscreen, a lotion, a bottle, and even if they want, they can put it on a makeup brush and we can rub it on their face that way. Even further, if you let them apply the sunscreen themselves and then cover up any areas they missed, they actually tend to enjoy it and they might even be proud of themselves for doing so. They might even ask to put it on themselves before you're even ready next time. That's a wrap for our video for avoiding sunburn in children. By using these techniques to apply the sunscreen and staying out of the sun at the prime times, you will have an enjoyable summer and hopefully avoid sunburn. I'm Meg Conover, Physician Associate. If you like this video, maybe check out the next one here. And if you like that, feel free to comment and subscribe. See you on the next one.